This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Renovated second floor condo in Longwood area, only one stair flight. New paint, carpet, and vinyl plank. Air conditioner and water heater recently replaced. Each bedroom is a primary suite with its own bathroom, walk-in closet and additional vanity. Ceiling fans and blinds installed. All LED lighting throughout, no bulbs required. All appliances including washer dryer and the laundry room inside the unit. Some appliances are new. Nice rear screened porch for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Pool and amenities within the complex. Private parking space as well as additional spaces, not numbered, and private mailbox. Come and see this unit as it has been renovated nicely. Available immediately. HOA approval required. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.